Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, November 25th. Usually, the natural gas EIA report comes in on Thursday, but this week being Thanksgiving, it's gonna be today. Now, they haven't mentioned the time, but I would assume it's 10:30 a.m. So we'll see at 10:30 what the report says. Um, if you saw my video yesterday, um, I, I mentioned that natural gas was overbought and then it was gonna come down. So it did come down all the way to 2.84 to 2.84, and then it started coming back up, and whole morning natural gas has been very bullish. It just kept going up and up, but again now it's in overbought condition, so I'm thinking it's gonna go down from here. I was pretty sure that it will go down today, so I actually bought additional shares yesterday. I have a total of 1100 shares for KOLD, which is the inverse ETF of natural gas. And this morning I was actually down a bit on my position, about $326, but I'm back up to $3.60, and it looks like from here natural gas will start falling down, because if you look at the 1 minute chart, it's been in overbought conditions many times this morning. But if you look at the 5 minute chart, you can clearly see it's overbought and it's starting to come down. Now I just have it is still above the EMA line, so it could still go back up. But as per MACD and RSI, it should come down a bit. So let's see how it goes this morning. And the natural gas report seems to be bearish, because first of all we have a lot of gas in stock, and then there is going to be a very little draw this week, because it wasn't that cold uh, for this time of the year. So most likely after the report, natural gas prices will continue to fall down. That is my analysis. Um, it's not guaranteed to happen, but that's what looks that's what it looks like to me. That after the natural gas report, the natural gas prices will start falling down a bit. So this morning I tried to buy some more, but my order didn't get filled. But I'm okay with having 1100 shares. If anything, I want to like get rid of something. It's I would ideally keep my position size 700, 800. So I'm definitely have more natural gas shares than I would normally want. This morning, natural gas has been very bullish. After 3 a.m., you can see, it's been mostly above the EMA line on the 5 minute chart. Just now it came down, but it went back up as well. So this 2.8 2.85 area seems to be the support. Yesterday you can see it bounced off of 180-day EMA on the 1 hour chart. So it looks bullish to me, but we have a lot of gas in stock and it's in overbought condition. So yeah, even in 180-day chart, you can see this MACD line is trying to turn back. Yesterday it went all the way up to 2.913, which is given the pandemic, it's on the expensive side. So that's another reason I'm bearish on natural gas. But I could be wrong. Okay, it looks like it's begin to downtrend because on 1 minute chart it's staying below the EMA line. So right here at 2.88 we have the VWAP line and the 180-day SMA line. So let's say if it bounces from here or keeps going down. Alright, looks like it continues to go down. It's still below EMA line. I'll set my alert at 2.88. I do have multiple alerts below that. Let's set the new alert at 2.88. Alright, on 1 minute chart it looks like it towards the oversold area, but on a 5 minute chart um, there is still room to go down. So it might fluctuate a bit on 1 minute chart, but it looks like it's gonna continue to go down for some time. It's moving pretty quick around 9 a.m. when I started trading, but now it seems to have slowed down quite a bit. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more because it's moving slow and in small amounts. Oh, just went up the EMA line. So let's see if it can hold above the EMA line. I have a feeling that most likely not, but let's see. Alright, natural gas still moving up. But you can see like on 5 minute chart, it's in overbought area. So I still have a buy order at 39.61. So let's see if it gets triggered. Maybe I'll buy another 50 at current price. So buying 50 at 39.70. Okay, my order got triggered. I got filled. So now I have 1150 shares. Let's see if my other order gets filled. So as of now I'm down 316 total and 265 on the day. Given my position size, that's not that bad. You know, like each 10-cent movement is like $110. So you still not getting filled. Yeah, looks like my order at 39.61 is not gonna get filled. Let's see. Looks like it bounced back from the EMA line. It's back at the EMA line. And the MACD line seems to be turning around, so let's see. My order still didn't get filled. I'm not gonna buy more because I already have so much shares. Now if the price goes low, um, then I'm interested in buying. But as of now, I'm not interested in buying. Yeah, this week the trade has been choppy because it looks like it's Thanksgiving weekend and there aren't many traders in the market. So when the volume is low, um, the stock moves a little haphazard. When there is a lot of volume, there is like some sort of order in the market. Because then no one group or a set of people can influence the prices. Alright, just came below the EMA line. You can see that it made a lower high here than the previous one. So I'm thinking downtrend has already started. So this could be a good entry point, in my opinion. Now draw this trend line, see if it's any sort of indication for the price. Yeah, natural gas seems to be bullish today. Keeps trying to go up. Oh, gone quite a bit up. Let's see. My order for 39.61 should get filled because the price now is 39.60. Yeah, that indicates like the volume is low. Nobody wants to sell right now. To me. Okay, now it got filled. So now I have 1200 shares of natural gas. Let's see. Down $500 today on the position. Right. I just draw another trend line as the prices were rising. Looks like it's towards the top of that trend line. Let's see if it breaks that or turns around. Alright, looks like it's turned around from that trend line. Let's see if it goes below the EMA line. It looks like it bouncing back from the EMA line. Let's see. On the 5-minute chart, you can see the MACD line has peaked out. It's no longer going higher, but on the 5-minute chart, still need to go below 82.895. As you can see, the RSI is also towards the overbought area. So I'm thinking it's gonna still in overbought area, so chances are more that it will come down, but it's still possible that it will continue to go up. That's the risk we take as traders. Let's see if it comes down below EMA line and stays below the EMA line. It looks like it's kind of peaked out. We're gonna have the natural gas report in probably 10 minutes. They haven't mentioned the time, what time they're gonna release the report, but it's usually at 10:30 a.m. and they usually release it on Thursday. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so they're going to release it. It is very much possible that the prices will continue to go up and my account size will go down, but it's a calculated risk. Given the size of the gas that we have in storage and given the amount of draw from that storage this week, my prediction is that the prices for natural gas will go down. If the prices for natural gas were this high already, it could have had the other effect. But given the price 2.9, it's actually quite high for natural gas. The average price for this year was uh, uh, predicted to be 2.5, but during summer months, early spring and summer months, it was like quite lower than that. So relatively speaking, the price of natural gas is quite high right now. And given that we're not going to have that much draw, and we'll still have more gas than a 5-year average, it's most likely the price can only go down from this point. That is just my opinion, and it can change, and I could be wrong. This 2.906 seems to be the resistance area. You'll see it bounced back from that trend line a few minutes ago. minutes to natural gas. Yeah, I'm not sure if they're gonna release the report at 10:30 today, because usually at this time they will have a message that their numbers are being updated. But as of now, it doesn't look like it's still showing last week's EIA report. To search for the report, just Google natural gas weekly EIA report. Looks like it's bouncing back from the trend line. But even if it keeps bouncing from that trend line, eventually it's going to come down. So as of now, I'm down 227 on my position, and 143 down on my position, and $91 today. If they don't release at 10:30 the natural gas report, I think they will release at 1 p.m. I'm gonna see if I can find the time, but they haven't mentioned it. So I'm gonna be checking throughout the day and update you guys in the evening or midday maybe. Mm. As soon as I find what time the report will be released, I'll go live and let you know. Alright, it looks like it came below that trend line, but let's see if it continues to go down. We have this SMA line and then the VWAP line that might act as support. When it comes down here, I will sell the 100 that I bought this morning. And you can see it's keeping below the EMA line as well, so looks like it's going to continue going down. So I bought this morning 50 shares at 39.72 and another 50 at 39.61. So I try to sell at least these 100 when the price is this green SMA line. And no, the report wasn't released at 10:30. They also usually report the crude oil inventory at 10:30 on Wednesdays, so it's possible that they'll do it right after that. So I'm gonna wait 10-15 more minutes and see if they release the report. Still keeping below the EMA line, so looks like still bearish. It's kind of following that trend line already. Alright. Down about 150 on my position size, on my position. Mm, Alright, continuing to go down. Still no report. Up south 50, around 29.99. Let's see. I think that's the price it bounced back before. These natural gas prices, coal prices are here. This is at 32, 39. Well, 39.87 is the price, but bid and ask is 82 and 88. Looks like it might go up a little bit before it starts going down. I don't know too many trend lines, but just checking. I usually don't like these diagonal trend lines, but sometimes it helps. It's keeping below this EMA line, so that's good news for cold. Alright, and still no report. When I find out what time the report is, I'll go live around that time. But if they release the reports out of order, it's usually midday. I think maybe 1 p.m. I'll continue checking and I'll update. Okay, I'm gonna sell 50 shares at 10.39, which is like 40. The bid ask price is 40 right now. Let's just sell this 50. Alright, it got executed. Alright, then I'm gonna sell another 50. It went below that green line, so it's at the, the middle VWAP line, and it's oversold condition, so I'm gonna sell another 50. And I got filled 40.13. Alright, so made little money on the 100 stocks that I bought, but if it goes back up, I'll buy some more. Alright guys, so I'll end the stream right now and update you guys middle of the day about the EIA report, or towards the end of the evening. Alright, bye for now. Good luck to you if you're trading natural gas today.